Hello and welcome. I am going today to show you this Dreamer D43 Campervan, D43 Up campervan. It's an addict campervan. It's a tiny campervan, 541 centimeters, and it's a expensive camper one, nearly 81,000 euros. But admittedly, it does have all these extra things, and that has led to the price being so high. Let's now have a look inside. So as far as this vehicle was concerned, walked in here and I thought, I like small camper vans, I'm going to have to film this one. And I walked in and I thought, there's no lights on in here. Where are the lights? So I managed to turn those on obviously from the 12 volt supply, but I couldn't remember where the light switch was. And I was just leaving and I sort of fell over backwards, my side knocking the light switches here, then all the lights came on. So that's why you're seeing this vehicle right now. Okay, sleeps four, two of whom, could be which, are going up in this tent in the roof up here, which you can't really see because the external lights aren't on. There is a light inside, but I'm going to have to climb inside the tent to actually do it. Down here you have got a forward-facing bench, which isn't really contoured all that well. You've got a large window light here, which will allow light to stream in if there's any on the outside. We've got a kitchen block here with an extension, with a place down here to put your sandals, and here we've got the drawers. Now the drawers are centrally locked. I haven't actually tried them, but I can see the central locking is broken. So let's see if it's broken. I know it's broken with the drawers opening. This is a problem with people breaking things. On this stand, I don't know, it's about 5-6 years ago, somebody told me the story of coming in here, finding that the first one was locked, central locking, and using enough force they broke it, the first one, then the second one, then the third one, to see how well it worked. Did they buy the van? I very much doubt it. Up here we've got a sink and of course 2 burners. I need to point out that the central locking thing is good. It's not even a case of being super delicate with it. Just treat it with respect, but don't sort of yank. It doesn't work. Everything I try doing, watch my videos, I try to be really delicate with things. Sometimes I don't have enough strength to open them, it may seem. There's no need to use violence on the vehicle. Right, anyway, good. So this here, note how it's contoured around, right? So you've got a lot of space up here, less so at this end of the vehicle. The length of the bed is approximately 190 centimeters, approximately. Now, this is a tiny van, but look how big this washroom is. Isn't that really, really nice? It's so much space in here. 541 centimeters, and I've got all this space in the washroom. There's me in the mirror, and I've got a sensible sliding door here. I've got this toilet with fixed sink. I like all of these things, and not only that, you can make the shower space bigger. Now look, there's your shower. But if you want to have the shower space bigger, what you do, you pull this thing here out, and there's your bigger shower. And there's even a space there to put shampoos and things. Not so much space you've got there, but if you want to have the mirror, you can have it out like that. There's a window in the shower. This will look like this. Mirror as you're coming out. Have a look at the floor space. What is really good about this is the size. If you want to get a vehicle which will fit just about anywhere, well, now exaggerating, but will fit in a lot of places that larger ones won't, then this is it. Space here. Notice this here. You put your television there, and you can put your stuff over to one side. Watch the television in this seat from here. Also note, we've got some lights on it here. Touch this and they should come on. They do. And that's what it looks like inside this camper van. Right, I'd be the first to agree that it's very expensive, but I think it's got a little bit going for it anyway. Mosquito net here. Let's have a look around the outside. If I can open the back doors, I'll open them if I can. There we go. Now, note the amount of space here as well. And another good thing here is you've got space for the gas here. One gas cylinder. And to be quite honest, I think that'll work for quite some time. Okay, my vehicle's a bit better insulated than this one is, but you know, I'm on the same gas cylinder since April, and it's now January, and I have been using heating in the winter. I've been off grid, so they do tend to last quite a long time. I've got a feeling though that the gas I get here in Germany is much better than buying the stuff I usually buy at the fuel filling station. Admittedly, it's far more expensive, but it is better. As you'd expect with any camper van, all of this will come out. It comes out quite easily. It's a bit difficult to demonstrate with just one hand, but it all comes out quite easily. And if you want to carry big boxes or large things, hippopotamus or something in the back of the van, then that's perfectly possible. I'm going to close this to make sure that it's closed. Once more, trying to do it with one hand. And can I do it? No, I normally can't do it. Why can't I do it now? Why can't I do it now? There, is that clicked on? Yeah, that's clicked on. Push that round. There we go. I'll do the other one later. Unfortunately, there's no insulation in the doors. Now, a large part of that price is the tent in the roof, of course. Open the rear door, the windows as well. So, a tiny van from Dreamer with a tent in the roof at a cost of 80,000 euros. Now, I've done a lot of other videos related to tiny vans, and people said, well, you can get them tinier than that. But the thing is this: what I'm counting a camper van as being, it must have a toilet and a washroom. That's absolutely obligatory. Kitchen, to my way of thinking, they've all got kitchens. You can put a kitchen in anything, but they must have that, and they must allow people to stand up. Therefore, for example, to call this thing over here a camper van is, I think, incorrect. That's a car with sleeping facilities in the back. So that's how I'm judging it. So if you may say, hey, that's not fair, but that's the way it is. I'm sticking to it. And I can't even use the word camping car, because in French a camping car is a motorhome, French word for motorhome. So anyway, good. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it interesting. Upload every day at 21:15 for the moment. All the best from me in Stuttgart, Germany.